We are frying bacon here in a sauna. Dude. Amazing.
That looks pretty good.
Look at that bacon. Oh yeah. Is it flaming still? We need to see some flames on video, dude.
Let's make it plain.
Estonian and Ukrainian rednecks. Oh man, it's not flaming anymore. Oh, there we go. Did you see that one?
Dude, it's getting blue here.
They'll wake up, man.
Wait, I think we need to...
Not on the bacon, dude.
Oh my god, look at this ball.
Alright, let's get it off, man. Where's the plate?
I can't see anything. Come on, eyes.
Close it, close it. Dude, come on. Take them out.
Oh.
Leave the light there, man. Oh, my finger.
Forgive me.
No problem, man.
It's just bacon from sauna.
Don't let that drop in there, man.
No. Oh, we need to put on these ones.
Okay. Quick.
Oh, that was so hot.
You have to rewrap it, man. Here.